What's up guys, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to post full pictures on Instagram. Now guys, once you're on Instagram, if you try to post a full-size picture, you realize that it oftentimes doesn't work. So let me go ahead and show you an example. I'm going to click the plus on the bottom of my screen and I'm going to select post. And let me go ahead and find a picture. Let's choose this picture here of my son. Let me go ahead and pinch this picture and show you. So this is the full size picture. And no matter how much I pinch this picture, I am not able to do it. And if you go ahead and try to size it with this button here on the left side of the image, it doesn't even give you the full picture. This is as much zoom as it can go, right? But you realize there's a lot more. There's an application that you can download that will allow you to do this, and I'm going to show you. So what you want to do, guys, just simply go ahead and clear out that and open up your app store. If you're on Android, you want to go ahead and search for SquarePic, and if you're on an iOS device, you can search for SquareFit photo video editor. You'll be able to find it. The icons look the same, it's just slightly different name, right? So here you can see this option here that says SquarePic, right? Photo editor. And for the iOS device is SquareFit photo video editor. Go ahead and open this application here and install it. Now once this is done, guys, go ahead and open up the application, allow it to access your photos, etc. And let me go ahead and find that picture again. So once you click on that, you realize now that this actually gives you the full size image. And once you save it, you'll be able to upload the full size image on Instagram. Now, by default, once you add that image, you see that it gives you the full image, but it also add the blur background. But you can always remove that. All you have to do, just simply click on the option at the bottom that says background, and you can select white. Once you select white, it will be in white. I'll show you what I mean. Right now, you want to go ahead and do that. You can add a lot more to your effects if you want. You can go ahead and play with different layout there. You can go ahead and play with borders if you so desire. You can do filters. You can play around the ratios. You can add text, quite a lot, stickers, and you name it. It's a very nice photo editing tool that you can really use, right? So once you're finished with this, as I want is just to resize this, you want to go ahead and click save in the uppermost right hand side. You don't have to rate this application, just go ahead and leave it as is and just click done. Now this is done. Now what you want to do now is go back to your Instagram again, add, click on post, and you will find the image there. So as you can see right there and done, I have the full size image now within Instagram. So go ahead and click next, and I'm going to simply share this right there. Now once this is done, guys, you will see that I now have the full size picture on Instagram, and that's all you need to do, guys. Very easy and very simple.